Hey everyone, this is a video guide for the data Chroma module, a LinkedIn company search query scraper. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to set up this module and in what situations you'll find this module to be useful. So essentially, how you use this module is, you would go to LinkedIn.com and you'd create a search for companies there, and you're specifically looking for companies and not people. And once you create that search of companies, you would feed that search query to this module, and the module will go ahead and scrape all these companies for every information that there is about that company on LinkedIn. So you will get the company's name, you will get the company's LinkedIn profile, the headline, the description, the company's website, the company's phone number if that's present on the company page, the company size, which is the band of the employee count, and then we have the number of employees on LinkedIn. So let's say the company registered, when they made the page on LinkedIn, they categorize themselves as a company falling between 11 to 50 employees. But currently, if they have, let's say, 64 employees, with this is where you will get that this number from. Then the company's founding year, the headquarters, and the email address and phone number if that's present in the company summary. So let's go ahead and let's just use this set up this module. I'm going to click on use this module. So the first thing this setup form has asked us is the LinkedIn session cookie. So let's go to linkedin.com and let's click somewhere uh, on the page and right click and click on inspect. Go to these two arrows, click on application, click on cookies, click on linkedin.com, navigate to LIAT and copy this value, go back to the form, paste this value here. So the next thing this this form is asked is the LinkedIn search query. So assuming that let's assume a situation that I want to find all these software development firms uh, from United States on LinkedIn. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write software development, hit enter. I'm gonna select companies from these filters, and I'm gonna select the location to United States. Now understand that this is a very basic search query that I'm making here. You can create a very complicated search query, add a bunch of filters that you'd want to narrow it down the results of the kind of companies. And once you're happy with the search results, what we'll do is we'll just copy this search URL, this URL, and go back to the form and paste this URL here. Now, the next thing this form is asked us is the number of LinkedIn search results to scrape. So essentially, there are 49,000 results for this search query. For this, for this video, I'm gonna just go ahead and put 5 here. But what you have to do is you have to, and the next thing the form asks us is the email address to which the result file has to be, will be sent. So let's say once the module has finished scraping these companies and the result file is prepared, what it's going to do is it's going to send you the result file via email. So move forward, let's click on next. So to run this module, let's click on run. Once the module starts to starts with the process, you'll see the logs getting generated here. So the module has logged in with my email, with my session cookie. It's called inside LinkedIn. It's now scraping the first 5 companies, which are blockchain, fintech development, software improvement group, SIG, Foxconn. Yeah. So the model has now scraped all the 5 companies, since we had provided the number 5 from this list to be scraped. So let's go ahead and click on result to download the result file and see what information on each company are we getting with this module. I'm going to go to sheet and I'm going to import this CSV file to a Google Sheet. Okay, so we have 5 results here, and for each company we have the company's LinkedIn profile, we have the company's website, which is very important since this helps you to find the email address of the prospects. So let's say you have somebody's name or somebody's email, somebody's LinkedIn profile from this company, and that person is a VP sales here, but you don't have the website, so it's very difficult to find the work email address. So scraping these companies for these domain is helps a lot, for finding out these email addresses. Next we have the company's industry, then we have the company's staff count, which is the exact number of people that they have, on LinkedIn. So the exact number of people who have listed, mentioned this, that I work at this company on LinkedIn. Then the company's phone number, if that's present in the about section of the company, the company's founding year, then we have the tagline of the company, the description of the company, the country, the city state, the postal area, the complete address, the company's name, the company's employee count, that's the band of the employee that we were talking about earlier, and then the company type, is it a privately held company or a non-government organization or a public company, and the follower count, so how many followers are there on this LinkedIn company page on LinkedIn, the logo image, the specialities, and the email column is here if there are some emails in the company's summary, which was this description, and we can see that there are no emails, and hence the email column is empty for now. So that's it, that this was the LinkedIn company search query scraper module. If you have any questions while setting up this module, you can click on the drift icon, you know here, or you can just drop a line at support@datachroma.com, and we'll help you out. Thank you.